Okay, guys. Okay, so others also will come. So meanwhile, I'm going to my machine and log in. Okay, so I log in. Okay. Oh, Shubham. Okay. Very good. Who is administrator? I don't know who is administrator. Can you tell who is administrator here? Someone log in with administrator name. Please check your name. Better to change your name. Okay. So we go Akshay Amrita. Hitesh is not here. Kamal, Pranali, Shubham. And I'm expected one more member, right? I think Hitesh is logging as administrator. I don't know. We'll see. Okay, guys. Just before I try to do this thing installation, but suddenly power gone. So if anything setup is started, then again I have to delete that old setup. Again, I'm going to Jenkins. This file should be deleted. Okay, I deleted those files. Then go to this one. Because again it will occupy space from my PC. Okay. Again, we'll do it from starting. So we'll see whether it is or not. If you want open with a different port number, also we can give -HTTP IP port number also we can give. But I'm using a default port number here. Okay, I got it. Okay, so this is the password. Just copy the password. Okay, copy the password. And okay, so very good. This is not saved. So this is new password I'm copying here. This is the old password. Otherwise, you can go to this place and you can get the password. finish downloading data, and it will show a message like up and running type. So Jenkins is up and running. It shows that one. Okay, no problem. Localhost 8080. Now I'm putting password. Password is this one. Copy, paste the password. Otherwise, you can go to this location for a password. No, not required. Continue. Okay, so this is select plugins install. Otherwise, you can use this one also. This is easy, better, suggested one. So this is all if you want all. Okay, if in case you have a network issue, then you go to suggested one. No network issue, all is better. We'll see. Everything should be done. Okay, and important is Maven is important. First, Git is important. Maven is important. So main only 2-3 are very important, but I'm putting everything into the list. Okay, this is the bar. Okay. Yeah, now you can see the bar here now. Okay, so it will download one by one and install. When it is doing, so it will run here. Okay. And now where is ours? This is finish metadata. So this after this one up and running should become, but it is not. Okay. Let it go on. Let it go on. So don't. I don't want to disturb anything. Okay. So already I told what is Jenkins. Okay. Okay. So how to download and how to work. Okay. So what is Jenkins in DevOps and open source platform? Okay, like this use it for it is showing. Okay. Better not to use anything. Just leave it like this. If you have any other doubts, also you can put it in chat box, and I will try to explain this one. Guys, everybody done Git completed or not? Please tell me if you have completed Git or not. Git practicals. So Niranjan completed. Akshay completed. Amrita not yet done. Okay. Pranali, Komal, Mayuri, Hitesh, Hardik, Arjun not yet. Okay. Komal not completed. Okay. Mayuri, Pranali not completed. Karthik, Hitesh, Shubham not at. Okay. Karthik also not completed. Very good. So today, try to complete um, Git base main command. Like if you are having a problem with my account, so you can create your own account. It won't ask any money. You need a Gmail ID account. So any mail ID account is required. So what to do? So better go to any secondary mail account. Okay, and create one account in here and create a one repository. Then you can do uploading, downloading, and giving commands and which folder it is. It's very easy to do it. Even myself, I learn better way. So in your online class, they will give one straightforward, but multiple scenarios thing. I learn in a class while I'm taking class, and while myself few I tried it with my self questioning. Some are people are asking questions, and I tried it. So you can try Git. It is quite easy. Okay. Tomorrow morning class is there. Afternoon I have another batch. So I'm going to take another batch in afternoon. So you got time to complete everything. So today try something like either it is Jenkins installation or Git. So you can do. So once you are successful, okay. So like either you can use Jenkins or Git, you can install one today, not now, after class. Okay, try Git first. So tomorrow, meanwhile, today we'll see this Git kind Jenkins. Tomorrow also one or two projects in Jenkins. Okay, and any other project. So today, so if it is morning, it is set up. Then now I can show you how to use Jenkins things. Okay, if it is not set up also we'll do tomorrow. Definitely I will use my PC. My another machine is there which is having Jenkins fully installed, so I will show you that one. So daily you can able to practice. So first complete Git, then you can do all remaining is one by one setup. Like usually make sure that you have a internet speed good, and do not open any other things parallelly, because same time if multiple people are downloading things or like that also, it will give problem. Still it is, even the few also not done, it is still rotating, because resources and internet is also consuming more. So complete Git, and tomorrow compulsory do this Jenkins. You can do a lot of things in Jenkins. So afternoon class is not there means, so morning I will tell. So afternoon you will complete all the practicals. Make it sure like by tomorrow evening you are up to date. So what are we completed? So by evening you should complete. So this is taking time. So let it take time. So no problem. Okay. If you need support, then after evening I will send the yesterday class into YouTube. Actually, I thought it is not required to YouTube because so many things are there. I thought YouTube is not required, but if you need, I will post those videos, yesterday class videos, into YouTube. Okay. Better I have to pause the record.